Hello, and welcome to my BBC Ultra tour. Today, I will be showing you some neat things that you can accomplish with BBC Ultra. I'm going to go ahead and sign us into an extra chat room. Here, you were able to see that you can open this application with these other apps, but I was going to go ahead and open this browser. Normally, here you are able to see the people that you are chatting with. Since it's just us, it's going to be blank. What is nice about this program is that you can chat in a couple different ways. With your mic, you can chat with or without your webcam. You are also able to chat with this chat bar. Through this purple bar, you're able to see your chat bar. You are also able to see who is attending your chat room. And you can also tell who is talking. Once you unmute your mic, you can see what person in your chat room is speaking at that moment. You can also take polls for group projects. You are also able to raise your hand if needed to. You are also able to share a lot of things through this BBC Ultra program. Here, you are able to share a whiteboard, share applications in your screen, share files, keep track of your polls, set a timer to your course, and also break out in groups so you can go and do your group projects. What is also nice about this program is that you are able to record your session through the black tab above. And that is also how you log out of your session as well. There is also a nice little tab right next to your share column that allows you to customize your experience. What is best to use for this program is either Google Chrome or Safari for this program. Other applications may not be able to support it. Thank you for watching my BBC Ultra tour.